Okay, checking back in on the British pound US dollar 4-hour candlestick chart. The trade was indeed triggered here. As you can see, it moved above the green entry price, the green dashed line here. Hit the first profit target at 58.90. Right in, let's get the cursor up here, 58.90, right in here. And now, upon hitting that first profit target, we got to move the stop up to break even. Okay, we'll show you exactly how to do that in this case when it hit the first profit target. And so we're going to go in there and change that order. So I bring up the order window. You can see here's our stop loss at 57.94. Now we're going to bring that up all the way up to break even at 158.49. The second profit target remains the same, 159.34. And now we place this trade. You can see now the stop has been raised to break even. No matter what happens from here, we got a free trade situation. We've zeroed out all the risk in the trade, already have a profit on the first half position. Worst that can happen here is break even. The target here is to exit at a profit at this level right up here, 159.34. So there you go. Now, nothing else to do. Go about your business. Nothing to do for 4 hours. Check back in. The trade will either be still open, it will have hit the profit target, or it will have been stopped out at break even. And that's the way you trade with the Forex profit multiplier. To summarize this trade, 41 pips of profit at the first profit target, 85 pips potential on the second profit target. You can see here it came right up very close to being realized. Trade's still open. Very likely that second profit target will be hit as well. Okay, let's focus in on the U.S. Canadian dollar. The sell signal at the entry price. Here's the initial stop and the first and second profit targets. Now I'm going to show you how to enter this order on a typical broker-provided trading platform. So let's go there. Here's the U.S. Canadian dollar 4-hour candlestick chart. This is an MT4 platform, which is typical of many Forex brokers. And what I'm going to do is start the timer to show you how quickly this happens, especially for those of you who are new to this. And I'm going to right-click, bring up the trading window to sell stop. And from the Forex profit multiplier, I'm going to enter the order to sell at 102.13 on a stop. The initial stop is 102.71. And the first profit target is 101.82. Click place. OK. And there you have it. That took all of 35 seconds. And of course, it'd be quicker if I wasn't talking through this process. But here you see the entry level here, the green line, the initial stop, and the first profit target. Now, with MT4, you need to enter the second profit target in a second step. This is different than many other Forex brokers where you can enter both profit targets in one motion. But it's very easy to do. You just right-click, go back in. It's the same entry order. Of course, it's 102.13. And it's the same initial stop, 102.71. But this time we load in the second profit target that's even better than the first, 101.52. Click place. OK. And there you have it. So you don't see the second profit target dashed line because it's off the chart. But now you're all set. You got the orders in. There's nothing more to do for another 4 hours. So this is how you trade the Forex Profit Multiplier. And we'll monitor this trade. I'll come back after the 4 hours and see how we're doing. Okay, checking back in on the U.S. Canadian dollar pair, the 4-hour candlestick chart. The entry order to go short was indeed filled right in here at the green dashed line. We now have the initial stop active, and the first profit target has not yet hit the first profit target, although it's getting close. So there's nothing more to do. That's it. That's the extent of the review after 4 hours. And you go about your business now, come back in 4 hours and see how things are developing. But for now, nothing to change. It looks like it probably will hit the first profit target. Okay, checking back in on the U.S. Canadian dollar 4-hour candlestick chart on the short position. It is now time to move the stop down to break even because the first profit target was hit. So all we do here is pull up the order window, and our stop loss now moves to break even, or 102.13. And the profit target remains the same. This is the second half position profit target, 101.52. And we click modify, OK. And there we have it. So now the stop has been dropped to break even, zeroing out all the risk in the trade. This is a free trade situation. This is what we do. We manage risk first and foremost and let the profits take care of themselves. You got to do it that way because there's ever-present risk, and by doing that, by managing that risk, that's when you got the great opportunity for these terrific profits that are available. And you can see this is moving down towards that second profit target. Now, it may hit, it may not, but there's nothing more to do for 4 hours because only three things can happen. After 4 hours, you'll either be stopped out at break even after already bagging a nice profit on the first half position, or the trade will still be open, or the second profit target will have been hit for an even better profit. And so you go about your business, come back and check on it in 4 hours. That is it. To summarize this trade, 31 pips of profit at the first profit target, 61 more potential pips at the second profit target. You can see it was just about hit right here. The trade's still open. Highly likely that that second profit target will indeed be hit. Well, I hope that live trade got you a little excited because once you start trading that way, you'll be able to spot potentially profitable trades again and again using my profit multiplier methods. It's just an awesome way to trade. Now, I'd like to address a common question that I get asked frequently, and that is, do trading systems really work? Well, in order to answer that, we need to define what's meant by a trading system. Now, it's usually a black box where the trading rules are unknown, and it's often curve fit, which is a way of making historical performance look great. But the problem with this is that curve fit systems usually don't work after a while, if at all. Many trading systems also have some type of auto trading component, which sounds great in theory, but in practice, this could actually wipe out your portfolio before you're even aware of what happened. Now, there are some aspects to systems that, if used properly, are beneficial, but the bottom line is that most trading systems leave you with little control. On the other hand, a method is a type of trading where all the trading rules are known every step of the way, which gives you complete control. This is why independent traders seek out trading methods and not trading systems. Now, with a method, you make all the decisions, and you always know what to do 100% of the time, no matter what happens in the markets. You're no longer dependent upon any guru or so-called expert because you're calling the shots. So with my Forex Profit Multiplier program, I combine the best features of both a system and a method. The main challenge with most trading methods is learning how to spot the trade setups. This becomes second nature once you learn how to do it, but when you're just starting out, it's nice to have some extra help. And that's why I created my Trade Alert software so that you can automatically see potential trades as they're setting up. This way you can go about your day and just pay attention to trading when it's time to trade. And when you're actively placing your orders, you have total control and understanding of what's going on because I teach you the underlying trading rules for each of my methods. This hybrid approach, combining the best elements of a system with the power of a method, will allow you to get started faster than anything I've seen before, and I'm excited for you to begin trading this way.